As I'm here very early, I'm going to go down and see if I can get in the Bury Transport Museum. I looked it up on the internet and it says that it's advisable to book. So I haven't booked, so I'm just going on spec, hoping that I can get in. I've been before, but it's been a long time. Nice little gradient marker there on the way down. It's an old goods yard, this, by the way, as you can probably tell. Fantastic sign they got up there, based on the old LMS totem signs. It's not just trains here, it's all sorts of transport. There's an old industrial engineer. It's got a shed plate 2060, I think that was Bury. But I don't think that would have been shedded at Bury, because it's an industrial loco. This is part of the crane here. So you fill that big box with weights. It's a counterbalance, in other words. And there's an old LNWR, London North Western Railway coach. Look at these signs here, these would be worth, as they say, a bob or two. Definitely. I know I've had a few in my time. My best one I sold was, got £1,100 for it. Only because somebody wanted it. There's always a buyer at the right price, isn't there? Granelli's, I remember them. Ice cream. Oh, I've got to look what this is actually. This is the Andrew Barclays of Kilmarnock, it says. Works number 1927. Burnley Corporation Gas Department, 1927. Has a number as well, number 1. More signs here. These are off signal boxes, these big ones. And the ones at the top are from stations. The very big ones at the top, I don't know where they're from. Hollingwood, yeah, those would probably be from the stations as well. Oh, some nice old cars here as well. More signs. Wow. Look at all them. Here's an old Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway landmarker there. On one-way system here. Oh, Thomas the Tank Engine. How exciting. And lots of nice models here on display as well, look. LMS 1230. Diesel shunter, named Joyce. An old Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway third class coach, that one. Here's one of my favourite class of engines, Coronation class. That's the City of Manchester. Beautiful those. I don't know what this one is. It's obviously one that's being built. Oh, class 5. That's the general workhorse of the LMS, the class 5. It's not been painted, obviously. Excuse me, love, can you tell me where the toilets are? Excuse me, love. She's not being cooperative, is she? Excuse me, can you tell me where the toilets are, please? Excuse me. Oh, they're not very cooperative round here, are they? I've done in the shed now. There's an old steam roller and a nice Fry's goods wagon there.